Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe Connect for contractor tax forms. Easy tutorial step by. To get started with registering for Stripe Connect, visit the Stripe website. Click on the Start Now button on the home page. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. After creating your account, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Connect section in the dashboard. Select the Get Started option for creating your Connect account. You will then need to choose between individual or business account options. If you are registering as a contractor, select the individual option. Proceed to fill out your personal information, including your legal name and address. Next, provide your date of birth and social security number for tax purposes. Stripe will ask for your business information if applicable. Skip this for an individual account. You'll need to verify your identity, so upload a government-issued ID. After uploading your ID, fill out the tax information section. This section will require your tax classification and status for IRS purposes. Read through and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. Check your email for a confirmation message from Stripe regarding your account setup. Once confirmed, you will be able to access your Stripe Connect dashboard. From here, you can manage your contractor tax forms and payments. Make sure to stay updated on your tax classification requirements as they can vary. When ready, you can start integrating Stripe with your platform or service for transactions. Follow the additional prompts for setting up your payment methods. You're now successfully registered for Stripe Connect for contractor tax forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.